That's coming up.
When it comes to powering your car audio system, there are two main types of batteries to choose from: lithium and AGM. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages that you need to consider before making a decision. Lithium batteries are newer on the market and offer a number of benefits over AGM batteries. They are lighter in weight, which is ideal if you are trying to save space in your vehicle. Lithium batteries also have a much higher power density, meaning they can store more energy than AGM batteries of the same size. This makes them ideal for powering high-end car audio systems that require a lot of power. However, lithium batteries are also more expensive than AGM batteries. They also require special chargers and can be damaged if not used correctly. AGM batteries have been around for longer and are more affordable than lithium batteries. They are also more durable, making them a good choice if you are worried about damaging your battery. AGM batteries also don't require special chargers, which can be a major advantage if you are not familiar with lithium batteries. Here are 7 differences in the lithium and AGM batteries that you may want to consider before purchasing. 1. Lithium batteries are more expensive than AGM batteries. 2. AGM batteries are maintenance-free. 3. Lithium batteries are lighter than AGM batteries. 4. Lithium batteries have a higher power density than AGM batteries. 5. Lithium batteries can be charged and discharged more times than AGM batteries. 6. Lithium batteries have a higher self-discharge rate than AGM batteries. 7. Lithium batteries are more sensitive to temperature than AGM batteries. Are you still confused on which one is best for your car audio system? Leave a comment below. Be sure to check out BASSWITHKEVnetwork.com for AGM and lithium batteries and use code BWK at checkout.